So you just wrapped up a great day on the trail. Mud, rocks, sand, maybe even some water crossings. Before you kick back and call it a day, there are a few things you should do to keep your rig in tip-top shape. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 things you should always do after every off-road trip. So number 1 is going to be checking your tires. After a trail run, look for cuts, punctures, or chunks missing from the tread. Double check your sidewalls too, since they take the most abuse off-road. And don't forget to air your tires back up if you air down. Driving on the street at low PSI can damage your tires and make your vehicle unsafe. So now you put air back in your tires and you're ready to hit the road, the next thing you want to do is give your rig a good wash. Dirt, mud, and road salt can all cause rust and eat away at components if you let it sit. Pay special attention to your undercarriage, get all the mud and grime off your suspension, wheels, frame, and skid plates. Built up mud on your wheels can cause a horrible steering wheel shake, and make sure to rinse out your brakes too. Built up grit can shorten the life of your pads and rotors. Imagine hitting the trails in this built 2022 4Runner and $10,000 in your pocket. Well, now's your chance to make it a reality. Head over to the site. Every $1 that you spend is going to be 1 entry, and that single dollar could be the start to your next adventure. The clock is ticking. The giveaway ends November 10th, 2025. Click the link down below for all the details. Now let's get back to the video. So now that you have your rig all washed up, the next thing you want to do is inspect for damage. Crawl under your rig and check for dents, scrapes, or leaks. Look at your skid plates, exhaust, drive shaft, and suspension components. Sometimes you won't notice damage right away on the trail, but catching it early can save you from bigger problems later. After you've gone through the full suspension and made sure everything is good, we want to check your fluids and filters. Off-roading can heat things up and push your vehicle harder than normal driving. After a trip, check your oil, your coolant, and transmission fluid levels. If you did a lot of driving through deep water or dusty areas, take a look at your air filter. It may need to be cleaned or replaced. And the last thing you want to do is reset and restock your gear. If you use any of your recovery straps, ropes, or tools, make sure they're clean, dry, and put back in their place. Repack your first aid kit if you used anything, and restock your snacks and water for the next trip. The idea is to get your rig trail ready again so you don't forget something important when you head out the next time. So those are the 5 things you should do after every off-road trip. Check your tires, wash and clean your vehicle, inspect for damage, check your fluids, and reset your gear. A little post-trip maintenance goes a long way in keeping your rig reliable and ready for the next adventure. If you found this helpful, check out all the gear we have at YotaXpedition.com. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and drop a comment with your own post-trip routine. We'll see you guys in the next one. Snacks and waters, make sure you got them.